Hi guys! Check out the various uses of walnut shells, husks, and leaves. You'll never throw them away again. Walnuts are delicious and incredibly healthy. They're rich in unsaturated fatty acids, proteins, and minerals like iron. Typically, walnut shells and husks, pericarp, are discarded, which is a shame. They can be used to prepare medicinal decoctions, hair wraps, candle making, and more. Let's explore how they can help with coughs or create Christmas decorations. 1. Decoction from walnut shells for coughs. This tasty dark brown decoction is an excellent remedy for both dry and wet coughs and helps cleanse the throat. You'll need 12 walnut shells, 0.5 liters of water. Procedure: crack the walnuts and wash their shells. Slow method: soak the shells in water and let them steep for 12 hours. Then, bring the water and shells to a boil and simmer for about 5 minutes. Strain out the water and sip. 2. Decoction from shells for iodine supplementation. Walnut shells contain plenty of iodine, so those suffering from iodine deficiency can prepare a decoction and drink it before every meal for up to 4 months. You'll need 2½ cups of walnut shells, 2 cups of water. Procedure: briefly boil the shells in water and let cool. Strain and enjoy. 3. Extract from dried leaves. Leaves are collected in June and July and dried. Use, internally and externally, in baths, when massaging the scalp, in compresses, rinses. Effects: walnut leaves have antiseptic and fungicidal effects, thus aiding in acne, tired eyes, skin and nail inflammations, psoriasis, foot sweating, discharge, hair loss, dandruff, lice, frostbite, and other conditions. Procedure: pour hot water over the leaves and let steep for 15 minutes or briefly boil. Strain and use as tea, compress on affected areas, facial toner, or hair treatment. 4. Hair wrap from leaves and husks. Harvesting husks: in July and August, before the kernels ripen or during ripening, collect green, not brown. Use for light and gray hair and to highlight the tone of brown hair. You'll need 10 g of husks or leaves, half a liter of water. Procedure: boil the mixture for about 10 minutes, let cool, and rub into the hair. Let dry in the air. You can also pour it into a spray bottle and spray your hair every day. The effect may appear after several applications. 5. Floating candles from walnut shells. You'll need intact walnut shell halves, beeswax or paraffin wax, wicks. Procedure: cut wicks to a length of 1 centimeter, depending on the size of the shell. Melt the wax in a water bath. You can also use wax from old candles. Insert the wick vertically into the shell, hold it with tweezers, and carefully pour liquid wax onto it. Let it cool and use it as a beautiful decoration in a bowl filled with water for Christmas. 6. Christmas decoration from shells. You'll need beautiful intact walnut shell halves, thin wire or thicker thread, a hook for hanging, glue, optionally red ribbon. Procedure: make a small loop from the wire and glue it to the upper edge of the shell. If using thread, measure about 10 centimeters, join the ends, and glue them to the shell so that the loop protrudes and serves as a hook. Apply glue to one half of the shell and glue the other half. Let it dry, and it's done. You can decorate it with a bow made of red ribbon.